Are you in the market for a new construction home or villa in the heart of Wellen Park here in Southwest Florida? A place where you can live the vacation lifestyle every day and be only a few minutes away from some of the most gorgeous beaches on the Gulf of Mexico. Then stay tuned to learn more about Sunstone, one of the newest communities at Wellen Park. We're Josh and Liz from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. From lifestyle, travel, and real estate, we're here to help. So if you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our Florida videos. Sunstone at Wellen Park is a new construction community nestled in the heart of this master plan development. Living here allows you to easily walk, bike, or take a golf cart to the nearby downtown Wellen Park area, which includes shopping, dining, and entertainment. To learn more about Wellen Park, be sure to check out our complete video linked below. This part of Florida is known for its relaxed coastal lifestyle and stunning beaches. In fact, there are multiple Gulf of Mexico beaches within about 15 to 20 minutes of the Sunstone community. Southwest Florida is truly a paradise for vacationers, seasonal snowbirds, and those who are lucky enough to live here year-round. Beyond the beaches, this area is a haven for boaters, kayakers, paddleboarders, and fishermen between the Gulf, the rivers, and the bays, as well as the Intracoastal Waterway. Sunstone at Wellen Park is a Mattamy homes community, and they're actually the primary developer for all of Wellen Park itself. The first phase of the community will have a few hundred homes and villas, and another phase will have larger executive homes that'll open in the future. There will initially be one main amenity area, but as more phases open up, they plan to build additional amenity areas as needed. Construction is already underway, and some of the first residents have started to move into Sunstone already. Sunstone is a resort-style gated community with full amenities. It will have a clubhouse, a beach entry swimming pool with lap lanes, pickleball courts, fire pit, fitness center, a dog park, and a playground. There will also be miles and miles of walking and biking trails through nature preserves, as well as an event lawn within the community. There will also be an on-site activities director and a full calendar of events. Sunstone offers new construction single-family homes as well as attached villas, which are extremely popular, especially for seasonal residents here. There are 13 different floor plans to choose from, 2 for villas and 11 for single-family homes, ranging anywhere from 1,500 square feet to nearly 3,000 square feet in size. Also, every home in Sunstone will have a covered lanai as well as a flex room that can be tailored to suit your needs. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our Sunstone model tours here on YouTube. We've already published multiple model tours, and we'll have additional tours being published soon for all of the other models. So be sure to check those out so you can experience what each model is like as if you're walking through it yourself. Sunstone is currently selling and building new homes, but the process, timing, and the options can vary. One of the quickest and easiest ways to get a home here is to purchase one of their quick move-in homes. These are already in progress, and the prices are set in advance with all the design options picked out for you. This makes it super easy with a clear price and a shorter move-in date. However, you still have the option to be able to pick out a lot yourself and build from scratch, but this will take longer. Inventory, pricing, and options are always changing, as well as the current incentives and promotions being offered. So, if you're interested in building a home in Sunstone or just want more information about the community, be sure to reach out to Josh Wilson here on our team. As a licensed real estate agent here in Venice, Florida, Josh can help you by leveraging his knowledge and relationships with these communities and their staff. And once the building process begins, he'll be there to represent you, so there's someone keeping your best interests in mind with the builder. For more information, click on the link below in the description to visit our Sunstone community page on our website. And don't forget to check out all of our Sunstone model tours. You can find them here on our YouTube page, in our Sunstone playlist, and also on our website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, give us a call, or shoot us an email. We're happy to chat. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.